The world of modern military firearms is a diverse one, with each nation's arsenal reflecting its unique strategic needs and tactical doctrines. Today, we'll delve into a comparative analysis of two such rifles. The QBZ-191, the standard service rifle of the People's Liberation Army of China, and the SIG 716i, a recent addition to the Indian Army's small arms inventory. The QBZ-191, first publicly revealed in 2019, represents a significant leap forward for Chinese small arms design. It replaces the aging QBZ-95, addressing several shortcomings and incorporating modern features. On the other hand, the SIG 716i, a variant of the SIG 716, is a testament to India's ongoing modernization efforts, providing its soldiers with a reliable and potent battle rifle. These two rifles, while both chambered for full-power rifle cartridges, exemplify different approaches to modern infantry combat. Understanding their design philosophies, features, and intended roles offers valuable insights into the evolving nature of warfare in the 21st century. Let's begin by dissecting the technical specifications of these two formidable firearms. The QBZ-191 is chambered in the intermediate 5.8 by 42mm cartridge, a proprietary round developed in China. This choice reflects the PLA's emphasis on a flatter trajectory and reduced recoil impulse. In contrast, the SIG 716i is chambered in the venerable 7.62 by 51mm NATO round, a more powerful cartridge favored for its superior penetration and stopping power. The QBZ-191 boasts a shorter overall length compared to the SIG 716i, measuring approximately 890mm with the stock extended. This shorter profile enhances its maneuverability in close-quarters combat scenarios, making it well-suited for urban warfare. The SIG 716i, with its longer barrel and overall length of 943mm, prioritizes accuracy and effective range for engagements at extended distances. Both rifles utilize a gas-operated, rotating bolt system, renowned for its reliability and smooth cycling. The QBZ-191's rate of fire is estimated to be around 750 rounds per minute, while the SIG 716i has a slightly lower cyclic rate of approximately 650 rounds per minute. These figures highlight the rifle's intended roles, with the QBZ-191's higher rate of fire better suited for suppressive fire, while the SIG 716i's lower rate of fire promotes controlled bursts and accuracy. The choice of caliber is a fundamental aspect of any firearms design, and the QBZ-191 and SIG 716i are no exception. The 5.8 by 42mm round used in the QBZ-191 is often compared to the ubiquitous 5.56 by 45mm NATO round, although it offers slightly improved ballistic performance. Its lighter projectile allows for a flatter trajectory and reduced recoil, making it easier for soldiers to control during rapid fire. This choice reflects the PLA's focus on engaging targets at typical engagement distances encountered in modern warfare. The SIG 716i's 7.62 by 51mm NATO chambering, on the other hand, packs significantly more punch. This heavier round delivers greater energy downrange, translating to superior penetration against cover and increased stopping power against enemy combatants. The Indian Army's adoption of this caliber suggests a preference for engagement ranges beyond those typically encountered by the PLA. Beyond the technical specifications, the design and ergonomics of these rifles reveal further insights into their intended roles and the philosophies behind their creation. The QBZ-191 exhibits a modern, almost futuristic design aesthetic. Its polymer receiver reduces weight while maintaining durability, a crucial consideration for soldiers operating in challenging environments. The SIG 716i, while undoubtedly a modern firearm, retains a more traditional appearance reminiscent of its battle-proven predecessors. Both rifles incorporate features designed to enhance user comfort and control, such as adjustable stocks, ambidextrous controls, and Picatinny rails for mounting optics and accessories. Ergonomically, both rifles are designed with the modern soldier in mind. The QBZ-191's controls are intuitively placed for ease of use, while its shorter length and lighter weight make it highly maneuverable in confined spaces. The SIG 716i, though heavier, offers excellent balance and recoil mitigation, contributing to its accuracy during sustained fire.